Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change activity speed on the OS Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to preferences and click on it, then tap on the second option, change activity speed. So here you can select the activity speed in terms of these activities such as walk and hike. Then you can select it for run, on-road, off-road, horse ride, pedal and others. So just feel free to delete them and type in your new speed, and then if you are done, click on the save button and then everything will be changed automatically. If you would like to reset it, just tap on the reset all button and it will be reset. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.